class, unit 2nd. Topic is electricity. Who's find out the electricity? You know that? Yes, you know that, right? Your lower class you have to study it, right? Who's that? Thomas Alva Edison, right? The Thomas Alva Edison invented in the current, correct? Okay, good. When the Thomas Alva Edison gently pushed the switch on 14,000 bulbs in 9,000 houses suddenly got lighted up. So it was a great invented, right? It is a great invented. Next, then the world was under the light, even the night also, right? Next, many hereafter, after that, many countries began using electricity for domestic purpose. 17 years, when come to that current in India, Innova? Yeah, I will tell that. The 17 years after the New York in 1899, which year? 1899, electricity came to the India. Next, the Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation Limited commissioned the first thermal power plant in India on 17th April 1899, right? Next, the around the 1900 thermal power station was set up at the Basin Bridge in Madras city. So how many thermal power station? 1900 thermal power station. Around that 1900, the thermal power station set up at the Basin Bridge in the Madras city, and power was distributed to the government press. Wherever they distributed the electricity, government press, general hospital, electric tramways, and certain resistant areas in Madras. Today the electricity is a common household commodity, right? Now also that our home also we are using to the current, right? Yeah, that is the summer season current off means what happen? We are not able to stay in our home, right? We need to the current, right? Okay, next. So next one, what is current? What is the electricity? You know that what is the electricity? The electricity is a form of energy like heat and magnetism, right? What is the electricity? It is a form of energy like heat and magnetism, right? This is the electricity. Now I give the one explanations, okay, how to create the electricity, right? Already you know that all the materials are made up of small particles called atom, right? You know that, right or not? All the particles, okay, so all the materials are made up of small particle, that is we are called to the atom. You are studying the previous year, right? So next, the atom center of one nucleus there, okay, one bulb there, that is called to that nucleus. You see the picture, the atom picture, you see this is this picture is a atom, right? This picture is a atom. The atom center one have the green color round, that is called the nucleus. This is the nucleus. This is the nucleus, okay? This is the nucleus, right? Then the nucleus consists of proton and neutrons. The nucleus consists that proton and neutron, okay? This is that neutron. This is the neutron. Neutron not have charge. but the proton have to positive charge. The proton have to the positive charge. Next, negative. What is that negative charge here? Having no negative charge. That is the electrons. That is electrons. The electron, that is the electron. Negative charged electrons revolve around the nucleus in the circular path. You see that the electrons revolve around the nucleus in the circular orbit. Correct? Are you understood? This is that atom. This like only creating to the electricity. Now